In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't create Game Pass on Roblox. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you're making your Game Pass in the right place. So you must create the Game Pass from the Experience Store page, not your inventory. So let me go ahead and show you the proper way to actually create a Game Pass. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to the Roblox main menu, scroll down to the bottom menu, select on More, then go ahead and select on Create. By the way, this will work both on mobile devices and on a desktop. Now, what you need to do from here is you need to go to the top left, select on these three bars, then go ahead and select on Creations. Then you want to go ahead and select on your experience. Now, every single Roblox account is by default going to have an experience, and it is right over here. So my experience is my Roblox name, which is Joseph Liam 96, and then followed by place. So you're going to get something that looks like this. Instead of saying Joseph Liam, it's going to say your Roblox username, and you want to go ahead and press on it just like so. Now, if that doesn't work for you, then what you also need to do is you need to press on these three dots over here, and you need to make sure that it says make private. So if it says make public, you need to go ahead and select on it because our experience needs to be public in order to make our game passes public. So that's also another issue that you guys can go ahead and run into. But anyways, to create a game pass, you need to go to the top left, select on these three bars, scroll down until you see monetizations, then go ahead and press on pass. Then you guys will now get the create a pass button right over there. So you will need to do it within like the actual web browser itself. You can't just do it on the app or like in your inventory or anything like that. Now, the next thing we need to talk about is the actual Game Pass itself. So whenever you create a Game Pass, you need to make sure that it is age appropriate. This includes the images as well. You also need to make sure that you include the right file type. So the only images or the file types of images that it can take is JPEG, PNG, and BMP. So you need to make sure to keep that in mind, and you need to make sure that the image is under 10 megabytes because Roblox will not allow you to actually put it up if it's over 10 megabytes. So always keep that in mind. And sometimes Roblox can block the upload if your phone number is not verified or your email is not verified. So if you just made a fresh brand new account, you may need to go ahead and verify it first before you're able to make a Game Pass. Now, sometimes there is a Roblox moderation delay, so sometimes you can create it, but it doesn't show up. In that instance, you need to wait 5 to 10 minutes for the Game Pass to be approved. Unfortunately, there isn't a single cookie cutter solution. If you guys have any other ideas, please leave them in the comment section down below so that you're able to help out other people who stumble upon this video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.